Adab, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Jai Hind. Welcome to Q&A for digital marketing. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So today we will be gonna learn about how we should do keyword research so that our keyword should rank in the first position. Okay, guys. So there is no shortcut. We can say there is no shortcut of doing keyword research. You have to do the hard work to for keyword research. Okay, guys, today's topic is how should we do keyword research for Amazon or any website. Basically, we will talk about only Amazon. Okay, guys. So, okay. So first of all, there are few points we have to keep in mind. First is keyword difficulty, that how much difficult is the keyword to rank. It should be less than 30. It rely on different tools we will gonna use. It is just a matrix that we should keep in mind. We should not increase this. There is no rule of thumb that keyword should difficulty should be less than 30, but it is considered that it should be less than it, so that we can choose those type of keyword. There are a lot of factors which affects while choosing keywords. One is keyword difficulty, and the second comes in our list is first is this and second is this. Second, we can say that who is ranking below the keyword. Okay, this is most important, that how the person who are ranking in the keyword. Let's take example of best yoga mat. Okay, so I'm just choosing this keyword. So the person who are ranking, like this, see here, Decathlon is ranking here, HomeGen is ranking here. So these all are big website. We can't compete them. Okay, if you are, we can compete, but we have to do a lot of hard work if we are going through organic way. So we have to see that who is ranking in the positions, first, second, third. After proper search, then we should use the keyword. Okay, difficulty. First one is difficulty. Second one is keyword, like who's ranking on below keyword, like websites, big website or small website. Okay, so I will be gonna using this tool. This is called SamScoop. You can easily use this tool, and here we have to see that search volume, like people are searching that or not. We are just writing and we don't know people are searching or not. It should be like 700 to any maximum 700 plus. It's a matrix. If we are writing in starting blog, like starting with beginning, then we should choose like 400 searches, 500 searches keyword. Okay, so the reason to go behind this, these are easy to rank. Okay, and like let's say if you are ranking on these small searches, on these keywords with low search volume on first position, it will show more trustworthiness to Google, that this website, people are clicking on this website, so it's really nice. Okay, then you can play a game, you can interlink your other blog with that website, and your other blog will be gonna rank automatically. Okay, in starting we should choose keyword with low search volume, like 700. You can take a average at 700, and it can go up to as much higher you want to. Okay, so this is the basic points we have to keep in mind. So let's jump into this. So you know that how, you know all these points, so how we should do the keyword research, how should we do? So there are a lot of tools I will be gonna share you. First one is SameScoop. This is recommended by our professionals, and Ahref is there. Normal Google searches are there. Okay, so these are, there are a lot of tools you can use, but today I will be going to use these two tools and normal Google search to find the keyword. So you will see that how easy I will find the keyword, how easy I will find the keyword, and you will gonna enjoy that keyword. You can choose. So there are a lot of people who don't know how to find the niche. Okay, so there are I will tell you some niche ideas. First one is pets. This is highly recommended, I will say. If you are doing blogging for US market or any market, let's say France, any market, you must use this pets. Pets is a really good niche to go after. Second one is health niche. Okay, health is also good niche. You can do blogs on. These are specific for I am telling this for Amazon affiliate. You can use this. Generally you can also like go for these websites. You can earn, you can monetize with anything like Amazon, as I told you. Media.net is there, and AdSense is there. You can use anything to monetize your website. Okay, so health niche are there, and we can say kitchen and home appliances. Okay, so these are basically main niche, we can say. We can go after this, but it totally depends upon your keyword research. So the base is always keyword research. Okay, so before doing keyword research, there is one thing you have to keep in mind. The keyword should start from let's say with best. Okay, at the at end we can say with the reviews. We should end with reviews or start with reviews, anything it can be. Or you can say topics, can we can write top can be there. So the reason to go after these type of keyword which start with best is it derives buyer persona, that the best keyword will search those person who really wants to buy your really wants to buy that product. Okay, so this is the reason we should go after best reviews or anything. Okay, that should be like, it should tell that buyer really wants to, the person should really wants to buy that product. Okay, so let's see one keyword. uh, Best drill press. This is a technological keyword. What I had done, United Search and United State location and language is all. So I was doing research with the keywords and I found this keyword very interesting. I'm revealing one keyword in front of you. So how you can use this tool? It's pretty easy. Just sign up there and you will come here. When you will sign up, you will, let me tell you how to use this. You will find this interface. Come here, choose the location you want to choose. Let's say I'm choosing United States. So I am writing one keyword, best drill press. Okay, I had done search. So why I had done this is a very amazing keyword which I found. I was researching with this keyword and find this very interesting. Okay, so see, seasonality also matters of the keyword, like how often people are searching for that keyword. See, the searches are okay. Okay, so people are regularly searching for this keyword. March 20 there were searches, December also there were searches, September. Okay, this is called seasonal area. Okay, for that you can also use Google Trends. So here it will tell you that how much search volume is there per month. This is search volume. So it's amazing that search volume is 2000 around. Okay, difficulty is less than 30. It's cool. Okay, you can also check CPC if you want to. It's okay, fine. And the main part comes here. The lot of person don't know that this part is this part, the person who is ranking below the websites. We have to see that how old the website ranking below that. Let's see, a 3 year old website is here, the domain age is 3 year, and domain authority is this much. So these are the basic points. I hope that you all know what is domain authority and domain age, page authority. Okay, see, he the person ranking here best of machinery, he made 26 backlink. Okay, for this article only, best real press. Keep in mind that you have to make 27 or 29 to beat him to come in first position. Okay, so to come on first position. Okay, so after that, content size matters. Content size is here 4K, so it means you have to write more than this. Okay, more than this. Okay, after that, page authority means the particular page, how much backlink he has made for particular page. It matters here. Okay, age absolutely matter. It should be less than 5 years. Okay, this also matters, DA. So why I choose this? So okay, let's forget this and come to the second person. So age is 1 year, domain authority is 21, 26, no. 5 years the age, lot of backlinks are there. Okay, 300 content size. So it looks that it's pretty difficult to rank, but see, this person is ranking here through ranchiguy.com. Okay, so this person is ranking on best real press, but he has done 2 years of age, domain age, page authority is 15. Okay, you can beat this guy, it means. Okay, just copy this person what he has done to rank here. 5 backlinks are there only. You can beat this person. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to check that how this person is ranking here. How you will check that? Just click here, copy the URL and put it in Ahref Site Explorer. Okay, so what we will do, So we will copy this guy and we will check that how is ranking here. See guys, this link will take it to Amazon. Whenever we will buy something, we will get commission out of that. It's pretty amazing interface. Okay, so what we have to do, just go to the Ahref. What happened to okay, until it opens, let me tell you one thing more. So as we know that this website is going ranking on lot of position, so we have to play here again. So like you had chosen this keyword best drill press, you purchase the domain and you start working on it. So how you will find more keywords related to that? I will tell you one thing. Just copy the domain you like. Like if you think that this person is ranking a lot of websites and he had done really amazing task. So we can do one thing. We can write here site colon the domain name. Okay. So it will tell you that how much places where the person is ranking, what are the pages he's ranking on. Okay, like he had written about this. Just copy this and write your article on this. What you can do, one thing more here, space colon type here best. So it will tell you the keywords only ranking with best. Just copy them and get your blog ranked. Moreover, this is the hack guys, you can copy this, you can put it anywhere. Let me paste it in drive also. It solves a lot of problem guys. Use site domain name then best. It will tell you. I was writing daily 3 articles. The problem I was facing a lot, that how should I find the next keyword to write on the topic. What I do every time, I just go and type here the best. Like I see this is a keyword is ranking on, I just open it. Okay, I just copy it from here, best here. Okay, don't forget to check the select guys. Okay, came to SEMscoop, put here the keyword and check if it's okay, is meet our criteria of like below 30 and 700 plus searches. Okay, and the person who are ranking on SERP. Okay, seasonality is cool. Okay, so if you know how to do keyword research, you know how to play in SEO, how to play in Google Ads. Okay, you must write the choose keyword when someone is already ranking on this type of same website. Okay, see here guys, see we find this website. They had done simple 1K content is there. It's normal, you can easily beat this. Just we have to write, see this guys, 4 years of age is there, 42 is there. So just copy them how they are ranking, see this. So we can beat this. We have to write second article on this. If we choose best drill press, we can choose next to this. This is the smartest way to choose more keywords. Okay, okay, so I think it's not working yet. Okay, I tell you the SEMscoop is the tool which I use for keyword research. Cool. Okay guys, and Ahref is not working. Maybe to log in it again here. Let me check if it works. So guys, a lot of persons think that Ahref is too costly, how we should buy. So here is the tools app is there. There are a lot of service provider who provide cheap tools. Okay guys, you can easily choose it from here and you can use as where you want to. It costs around 350 rupees to 400 for 1 month. It's pretty cheap. Or you can use Flickover. They also provide the, I haven't used it anytime, but listen a lot of name. Like, yeah guys, yeah, you can use this website if you want to. .NET Group Buy. There are a lot of guys who are used to provide this type of services. You can use. Okay guys, so let's proceed further. Okay, I tell you this one, you can write here review also. You will find that if he has written something related to review, so you can find it. Okay guys, this is SERP hack that I tell you. Okay, and let's proceed further with keyword research. So guys, as I told you, this way we have to just filter it. We have to check that who is ranking. You will get lot of ideas in here also. Best drill press review. There are a lot of more searches than this. You can choose this keyword also. Okay, drill, portable cable drill press. So you will get lot of ideas to write about. Okay, so for choosing the domain, you have to check this type of domain where competition is low, seasonality is cool, and difficulty should be less than 30. Okay, searches should be enough, like around 3 to 4,000. If you are going for like big typing niche website, the searches should be more. Try to find those type of keywords. Okay, AHF is not working today. Might be my internet problem. Okay guys, how should we do keyword? Okay guys, so this is the basic way to do this. Okay, so the main point is we have to choose this. We have to have one keyword research tool to make our work easy. Actually, keyword difficulty doesn't matter. Even everyone have this their own difficulty matrices, because they own have their own data. So don't rely on this difficulty. Just check that who is ranking on the keyword, like they are ranking with low. Just check that age of the domain. If it's low, it's cool. Content size, backlink. If it's low, then just write on it. Don't think twice, just write on that. Okay guys, so here are some keyword ideas I will share with you. Best drill press, best home gym, best portable washer, best, you can choose best dog training collar. You can copy this keyword. You can make a website on this. It's a bonus for you. How to make website? I'm sorry guys about Ahref, it's not working today. So as I told you that install on WordPress simply for free with the help of AWS, and just type the blog. How you should make the blog? Let's see the example at home gym equipments. So I'm sharing on my own blog. You can copy that if you want to. So buying guide, you can write it. Just type this way: table of content and features, pros and cons, buy from Amazon. Okay, if someone will click and they will go and buy from there. Don't forget to write conclusion, or you can write here about that. So this is the basic way to write content. You can see here hookup introduction to the table, after that navigation bar. Okay, so this is the way to write, and this is the way to find the keyword. You have to do keyword research guys. Just keep this metrics in mind while doing the research, and check who's ranking below that. And you must also check seasonality of the keyword. Okay, these are the basic point we have to keep in mind. Just write blog. And for backlinking, I want to share with you that I will share in next slide. There is a tier link building strategies which commonly used by everyone. See, okay, tier link building strategies, like let's say this is your money website. Okay, okay, so what you have to do, first make web 2.0, profile creation. Okay, or you can do some PBNs, you can also use, but not in starting for sure. Okay, this you can do, and you can also take guest posting. Second way, you have to make these links, you have to make links for these website again to get better indexing in Google. Create again links for money website. For this thing, you can link here money website here, money website. Okay, you can easily remove this also if you want to. Okay, and here you have to make a link for tier 1 link. These are tier 1 guys. the tier 1 strategy. It's really easy and interesting. You have to do it manually. You can use here tools also like rankers x maybe. There are a lot of tools you can use here to get this task done automatically. With the help of ranker x you can do. There are a lot of tools also. Okay, these link will be created here again. This includes let's say social bookmarking, blogspot, and like quality link. Okay, and so. Okay, and the third step is tier 3. The link which you had made in tier 2, pick those link and use create backlinks. Backlinks means backlinks like blog comment, like we can say spammy backlink, which are not related to a niche event. For this purpose we can use GSA tool, or there is also called SEO autopilot. So this will help us to get this. First, tier 1 will take here a lot of time. You have to do this manually. Okay, you have to do this manually. It also include press release and all the stuff. The quality backlink will be here. You have to take backlink from 90 plus DRPR websites. Okay, after that you have to make backlink. First tier backlink you have to make backlink again for sorry for this website again. After that, link 3, you have to choose this, pick these tier 2 links and make links again with the help of GSA tool. This both process are automatic. Okay, this doesn't require a lot of time. Just use the see a video on YouTube how to use this tool. They also come with 7 days free trial. You can easily enjoy that, and you have to make here hard work here. Just web 2.0 is kind of like we can say WordPress. Okay, tumblr tumblr Reddit, Quora, social also we can say. So these are called web 2 and socials we can say. You have to create links for that here, like social bookmarking, other thing, comments you can say, article submission we can say. Okay, just take link from here and enjoy. So if you will follow this process, these are told by top industrialists guys. No one will share this hacks with you because this is a rare thing people are using. Just use this tier link building strategy. One of the person from the group had asked about this, how what is the strategy for link building. So this is the strategy. So next point is people how to structure the website. There are content hub and silo. So these are the points we will cover in next lecture or session whenever I will find time. So this basic idea is we have to interlink each website page with each other, so user friendly it should look and Google should understand it properly. Okay, this is the keyword research method which I use to find the keywords for websites. Okay, I had showed you layout, how to make link building strategy, and keyword research method. There are, this way you have to find that best home gym is pretty nice keyword. I just use mainly this, only this one, same scope only. Ahref is not working today. I don't know what is the problem. If it could open, I can share more thing also. So let it be. So you can see this keyword. So this is the basically method how we should do keyword research. It require effort, manual effort you have to put to get the high converting keywords. Just keep in mind that who is ranking, keyword difficulty, age of the domain. Let me write it here. Okay, uh, keyword difficulty, age of domain, search volume, backlink, and we can say page authority and domain authority. Just keep these metrics in mind. So choose that which is appropriate and look like that you can rank beyond that content. Not so matters. Okay, guys. So these are the basic thing which no one will share with you. Okay, guys. So these are the basic points which I shared today. For keyword research we use. Okay, so at end, if you understand this properly, let's say you know how to perform this whole task, this only keyword research task, you can sell it, you can sell it on Fiverr as a service for keyword research. Okay, guys, so you should give time to yourself. Okay, just take your time and try to understand that how it works. If you find any problem, let me know in comments. I will be very helpful. I'll be very happy to answer if any queries there. And then thank you for listening, guys. Till then, okay, bye bye, take care, have a gala day. If any query is there, please let me know in comments. I will happy to answer that. If experts are also there, if I had made any mistake, please correct me. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a gala day.